Hi, my name is Anita Savoie and I'm a realtor in Moncton, New-Brunswick. Today I want to do a series of video about what is the step to buy a home. Then I want to talk to the buyers. You can be a new buyer or maybe somebody that have bought 10 houses, or maybe you didn't bought a house for the last 15 years. Then I really think that those steps here will really be interest for you and will help you to do the process. Then the first step is to sit down and to discuss about, is it the right moment to buy a home? Don't forget that will be your biggest investment, okay? Then it's really important to ask yourself, and maybe if you are a couple, is it the right moment to buy your home? Then you want to outline your need, your goal, and your desire. You want to put that on a paper to make sure that you can continue to have your activity or your goal, and you can still do it after you bought your home, because maybe all of those things will change, okay? And then you will want to prepare a financial plan. You want to make sure that you have a budget, and that budget will help you to have a life when you're gonna have a house. Because sometimes having a house is fun, but when you don't have nothing in your fridge, it's not fun, okay? Then you need to put that on the table, make sure you have enough money, okay, to have a good life. And then number 4, or another step, okay, you should meet with a financial advisor, okay? A financial advisor is not only somebody that will pre-approve you for a mortgage. It will advise you if you need to put money away, or the way you could put money away to make sure that you have enough money to do the repair on a house after you bought your home. You could go from insurance to financial. Then you should at least sit with a financial advisor that could help you to take the right decision with the money that you have to work with today. And then you want to have a pre-approval letter from a mortgage specialist with the bank of your choice, okay? It's really important to be pre-approved. After that, I suggest that you sit down with a realtor, okay? And now you're going to sit with them and you're going to talk about your needs, okay? And from there, the realtor will be able to show you a few houses and to make sure that he will be able to find something that will fill those needs. And then you're going to look at some houses, okay? And you're going to make sure to look at a few, because you want to make sure to have the one that you like, that you will fall in love with. From there, you will choose one and you will make an offer. There's a lot of steps in an offer, and the realtor will be able to explain that to you. Also, you need to know that a realtor for you, the buyers, is free, okay? Then because it's free, you should have a realtor that is working for you, and you should choose one that you really want to work with also, okay? Then after you put an offer in, then you will want to do an inspection on your home to protect your investment. Then there's another step that is really important in here, is the negotiation. There will be 2 negotiations usually when you're going to buy a home, okay? The first one will be when you're going to put an offer in, and the second one will be after the inspection. Because if you found something major on an inspection, the price that you may offer at the beginning may not be the same as what you will offer after the inspection. Then I will do a few other videos to explain those steps, okay, really more like deeply, then you can understand all of them. Then I'm there to help you. I can have a free consultation for you from a half an hour to an hour and a half, and I could talk to you about everything that you need to make sure that this process will be okay for you. Then my name is Anita Savoie. I'm working working as a realtor for RE/MAX Quality Real Estate Inc. in Moncton, New Brunswick. Thank you and have a great day.